5 mile an hour winds. But if you can probably hear in the wind, it's not 4 or 5, it's more 11, 12, 13. It's northerly, so the sea is fairly calm. You probably could have gone out on a kayak, but it is bitterly cold. I say bitterly cold, it's manageable. Anyway, so decided not to get the stuff in the kayak, get the kayak stuff ready, don't even know what I'm saying, and just decided to put the beach stuff in. We're all the way to Seaford Beach, and you wouldn't believe how many fishermen are on there, on Seaford Beach, all socially distancing, which is a good thing. But I am here. There's guys on the end of the arm, which you may or may not be able to see, and there's me and a lady with a dog, about 30 yards away. So I am on my own, sort of thing. I think I've just had a bite, and I caught one earlier when I was on my first rod out, which was after I'd just set up and before I decided I was going to film. So I am fashioning my new hat today. Maybe it'll bring me luck. Well, it's already brought me luck because I've got one fish. It is a plaice, it's what we're after. It is sizeable. I will just show you now. Let me hand in there. He's not a bad looking fella. There we are. He's doing alright. So we'll leave him in there for a bit. He's alright. It'll be a tasty dinner. So let's see how it pans out. I do think I have got another bite. I'm just running some 2-hook flappers, sort of 1 up 1 down style, just to see what's it about. I have got my little my other rod out there, which I've got a mackerel head on and the drag off, just in case. So we'll see what comes of it. Plaice was the target. I have got a plaice. That was even the target on a kayak. So I do like to be comfortable. I don't like to be cold. Getting on a bit. So we'll see how we go. And I'm going to measure that one up in a minute and see how big it is. But I'm just going to test this rod. So we'll put you down. Just spider it out. Do take you guys to this. Yeah. Once again, I'll bring this in. most baits are gone. They're just a little 2-0 with a whole lug, frozen black, and tipped off with a bit of mackerel. Chucked out about 50 yards or so. Anyway, come back in a bit. Okay, so plaice. Let's see how big he is. Legal size is 22, I believe, but 30. Oh, so what is he? He's hang on. He's go with the 39 centimetres. 39. He's a keeper. Ooh, good. Excellent. I do like plaice. Tasty. Tasty bit of plaice. I'm sorry, mate, but you're going home for lunch. Get some more. Kids don't like fish. Harry does. Harry will eat fish all day long. On both by the look of it. Which one do I go first? Next one to go. Come on. Keep me waiting. Lovely fish. Looks like he's taken that right down, so in case of minor surgery we'll get that out. There must be a few out there. Let's get this on. Or off. Easy. Nice fish. Put him in there. So, all I got is doing half a worm, half a worm. These are big. Number 2. Fine wire up. That's all I'm doing. Is popping that. Yeah, I don't need to tell you how to do this. You know what you're doing. As long as the fish like it, don't really matter, does it? And then I've just got some mackerel that I'm just strips, a bit of scale. I don't know. See though, it's just a habit. All us fishermen, we think nobody knows what the hell they're doing, so you just want to give instructional videos. Well, I don't need to do that. I know you know what you're doing, and we just like talking. I think as fishermen, don't we? Hey, it's fun. Oh, there's a dog. Here comes a dog. Quick! Don't panic. Hope his owner find him, because I'm sure he'll get the smell of my bait in a minute. Here he comes. So that's one. Always get rid of the old stuff. Okay, another one on there. However much we know about fishing, however long we've all been doing it, we do like watching our fishing videos, don't we? Well, I do anyway. There's always something new to learn. But baiting up is not one of them. If you get to my age and you don't know what you're doing, baiting up, then there's something wrong. I know we talk about presentation, we talk about how it looks, how it presents. I can only sort of see do it nice and maybe streamlined, or so it's all not going to fly off. I mean, I'll never claim to be the best at baiting up, but look, there's hooks coming out. So there we go, a bit of mackerel, a little bit of black lug. What more can you want? Fish don't care, do they? They're just going to eat it. They're not going to go, oh, that don't look very nice. Eating that. They're competing for it, don't they? Anywho, right, so that's that. Let's get this one out. The question is, have I got a bite, or has that swimmer out there got my line? I'm not opposed to cold seawater swimming, but people know you're fishing, you'd think they go a little bit further out, wouldn't you? I've got one, he's probably about 30 yards out. There's another one coming up here, he's probably about 20 yards out. Just about where I want to cast. So the question is, do I dunk them on the head with my 6-ounce lead? I'll do the decent thing and wait. What do you think? I think I'll wait. I just want to get my baits in the water. I reckon I can cast out before that one gets here. My line will sink below. Tide. Wind is really strong, a lot more than I expected it to get to. Fishing has died off a bit. Bites have died off. A couple of hours before I tied, yeah, we get loads of bites. When this wind's picked up, it's really died a death, to be honest. So I might give it an hour, see what happens. I've got two decent plaice to show for it. Glad it came out. I wasn't going to. I'm glad I didn't go out of the kayak because it wouldn't have been very nice. A bit uncomfortable. And yeah, so glad I gave the beach a go. This is my first session of 2021. Because of all the obvious reasons. So it's a good start with a couple of decent plaice. That'd be a very nice meal. If I can catch another one, then all good. I'll give it another hour and see if wheedle something else out. So nothing else today then. So I'm just going to pack up.